So you've seen the video, the first video. You understand what this space is about. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what do we do? What do I actually get in there? Let me tell you. First, this is the big one. You get a space where I can actually be real with you. Social media is way too wide. I can't go deep there the way I want to. I don't want to be that real to the whole world, but inside the circle is different. It's deeper, and the conversations are different because of that. So, practically, here's what's in there. If your ideas are stuck in your head and you can't get them out, we work on that. I call them untangle sessions, just getting it out of your head and into kind of a movement, because being stuck in your head never helps anybody, not you, not the people you're meant to serve. If you're trying to figure out AI, people have been calling me about this for a while. How do you use it? How do you make it work? How to not get overwhelmed by it? That's in there too. And if you need support around your business, branding, social media, websites, or just knowing where to start, I bring what I know and we figure it out together. Now, there are free spaces and there are paid spaces. In the free spaces, you get a real taste of what this is: tools, resources, apps, and we're still testing and refining because we're building this together in real time. It's not a waiting room, it's genuinely something. And when you're ready to go deeper, the paid spaces are there where you have access to more support, more of me, but there's no pressure to do that. Come in for free, see how it feels, and if it's for you, you'll know. It's not a course, it's not a program with a fixed ending. It's a living space, a community where all the figuring it out, where we're all figuring it out, but we're not doing it alone anymore. If that sounds like something you need right now, the link is right there. Come in, have a look around, no pressure ever.